sticker.
Oh!
Oh,
Hoodies! Hoodies! More
is
stickers?
that more stickers?
More stickers? More stickers?
Yeah.
More stickers! Yo!
Wow. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they give us a zip up too?
That's awesome.
So what does it say on the back?
Friendship for the future.
Wrenching for the future. That's an organization that is all about young kids getting into trades like mechanics, automotives, engineering, welding, plumbing.
That's awesome.
And they're so excited with what you guys are doing.
Oh my god, let's put that on real fast even though you're gonna die. Oh, they're on the back. Oh my god, you guys look like ninjas. Alright, that's pretty good. That's pretty awesome.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Let's see the back, right? Yes. So cool.
I put these in the carburetors when we send them out.
Send them back.
Yeah. I'm taking the stickers though. For how much I love stickers, it just sends me pure stickers.
I already put one on my car.
Yeah, I absolutely adore stickers.
Thank you so much, Erin.
Thank you.